This is the story of a university professor delivering a lecture. Just as he began, a student whistled. The professor stopped and asked, "Who whistled?" There was silence. He resumed the lecture, and again the whistle echoed. He paused once more. Who did that? Still, no response. A third time it happened, and the professor quietly closed his notebook and said, "The lecture is over. But before I leave, let me share a true story." The class fell completely silent. The professor began, "One night I couldn't sleep. I took my car and went for a drive. On the road, I saw an old woman struggling to carry heavy bags. I stopped and offered her a ride. She smiled and accepted. While sitting in my car, she looked deep into my eyes and said, 'Doctor, my illegitimate son studies at your university. I want you to support him.' I asked, 'But what's his name?' She smiled and replied, 'There's no need. He'll reveal himself. He's mischievous and always whistles during lectures.' And right at that moment, the entire class turned to look at the student who had been whistling. The professor then softly said, 'Come to me, my child. Do you think I earned my PhD from a donkey market?' Soft pause. A moment of silence fell upon the room. Sometimes a story teaches more than 1,000 lectures. Thanks for watching.